I just turned this video into the fully SEO optimized article in this single click with this secret SEO tool. Not only just turn the video into the blog post, you can read and get the glimpse here. It has the really good layout with the images, with the link and the concluding part. And this is the content score, means the SEO score optimization I got here. It is getting the 91% out of 100. This is the readability score, this is the structure, all these things. And not only it is going to just turn the video into the blog post, it will automatically generate the meta data like the title, description, slug and the tags. And if you want to promote this post on the different social media platforms, you can see it has the Instagram post highly targeting the Instagram. This is for the Facebook post, this is for the Twitter, this is the LinkedIn, this is the WhatsApp, this is the email promotion. And if you want to export this post or share to different platforms like your WordPress, your Blogger, then here you can see it has this single connectivity with the Medium, Blogger or the Ghost, and in this single click you can just send out to those platforms as well. So this is the secret AI tool. With the help of, you can just turn your videos into the SEO optimized articles and share them different social media platforms and get the most out of it. So this platform is the video to blog, recently launched on the AppSumo, starting from the just $49. If I scroll down below, you can read out yourself. Turn any video into the readable, well structured article in minutes. Automatically add an SEO meta data to stand out on the search engine. If I scroll down below, this is the integration with the Blogger, Medium, all those stuff. Okay, so let me just go to the plans and features and instantly show you what are the features you are going to get. First of all, you are going to get the long length blog post out of your videos. Those blog posts will be the highly customizable, and if you want to add the images and do some changes, you have to just simply click here on this regenerate button, and it is going to ask you what are the things you want to change. If you want to add the visual, if you want to add the links, you have to just enable these things and click on the regenerate. It is going to do the stuff. Then you can export blog to your website, to your Medium platform or other blogging platform. It has the automatic and manually adding screenshot. Yes, it is going to add the screenshots out of your video, so you don't have to worry about the images. It has the also AI generated featured image section available. Then it has the AI content detector. Yes, if you want to know whether this content that you have generated with the help of this AI is any plagiarism or detected as the AI, then this is the feature available, that is AI content detector. And somehow if you got like this blog appears to be written by AI, you have to just simply click here on the humanize. It is going to turn this blog post and find out all those AI detections and turn them into the like human written. Okay, the next feature I have already told you, that the multiple export and the sharing option. It has the multi-language support. You can generate SEO metadata. It has the generate email and the social media promotion kind of the stuff. Then it has also the customized tone, all those stuff I have told you already. Then advanced image editing. It has also the option to edit the images, like if you want to add some text or kind of a thing, that is the option available. So it has the multiple plans available. In this single tier plan starting from the just $49, you can turn almost the 10 videos into the your blog post, that is the SEO optimized, and all the features I have showed you, that is the also access you are going to get. Okay, so this is for the 10 post credit or the limit. In the tier 2 plan, this is will be increased to the 20 posts. In the tier 3 plan, it will going to increase up to the 40 posts, and it has also the some other plans available. Let's go to tier 5, and here you will get up to 200 blog posts per month limit. This is the per month, means every month these limits is going to be renewed. Okay, so if you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description, and there's also 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you are not happy, just return it within 60 days. So you are going to get a 2 months free trial. Okay, and you didn't like it, just return it and your money will be refunded. This is the best part of the AppSumo. Now let me give you demo and the dashboard feature showcase how this platform looks like and you are going to use it. So this is the platform. If I go to the home, here are only the one key feature available, that is the create to blog out of your video. So simply click it here, then it is going to ask for that video. You can also upload your video if you don't have the link for your video right now. So suppose I want to turn this video into the SEO optimized blog post, so I will simply copy the link, just go to the here, paste the link here, Then after that you can see it will start working, and now it will ask me things like I can also add my custom instruction, so it can just create the blog post according to those instructions. And then if I enable this one, this is going to just add the visuals. So I want the visuals out of this video because I want the really highly relevant content. Then I also want to add the links. Okay, so here you can add the links or add the sitemap, so you can add the interconnect your or interlink your other blog post here too, or you want to add the some outbound link, so you can do that from here. Then this is the thing that where you want, suppose you want to add any call to action, you have to just give it here. Then there are some few more options available, like you can just select the length, language, tone, or you want to add the table of content. All these things you can just also configure from here. So once all these things done, just simply click here on the create blog. So you have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, so let's wait for it. Now you can see we are starting to get results. So right now it is around the 60% done. You can track the progress here. So you have to wait a little more, few seconds, like the around 30 seconds more. So till now what you can do, you can just read out this article whether it's good for you or not, and somehow if you didn't like any of the part, I will show you how you can even regenerate that part. Okay, so right now let's read out. This is the title, this is the context, this is the some h2 title here, this is okay introduction part, this is key features, this is how optimize your website using the bulk WP. Okay, the layout and the structure of the post really good here, I liked it. Then this is the installation process, this is the pricing, this is comparing with the other plugins, then user experience and the testimonial, this is the conclusion part. Okay, so right now till to this conclusion part, I like the structure and the layout, and the content is really easy to read and easy to understand. Still we have to wait a little bit for a few more seconds here because it is now adding the screenshot. So let's wait till all this thing is generated here. Here's the full results. So we got, this is the thumbnail with the video embed, so this is really good. And let's scroll down below and check it out if there are any more screenshots available out of video. So yes, we got the screenshot images, so this is the really good. This is the another image, this is the another image. So as per the layout, structure and the images, so the video this article can be the really fun to read out, is all those stuff is taken care by this AI. Okay, so let me click here on this 3 dots, and here you will find out some other options available, like we have the content analyzer. If I click here, it is going to analyze this content and find out whether this content is how many the SEO optimized and the good structure. So I got the 91. This is the really good score. So let me scroll down below. There's also this AI content content detector, so it can show you whether this article is just written by AI or not. So you can see if it is find out as the AI content detected, then you can just click here on the humanize, and it is going to turn those part that is the detector as the AI like the human written. That is also good part. Then let's come down a little bit low. Here you will find out the content structure, like this is around the 800 words article. This is the all those things. Long sentence 2%, images is the 6, links is 1. Let me scroll down below. Here is the key phrase analysis. Here you will find out this some key phrase, like you have to just enter it and it will find out the density, frequency, all those stuff. Okay, so here we have the metadata. In the metadata you can see the title is automatic generated, meta description is automatic generated, slug you can change out, this is the tags. Let's go to the promotion. Suppose you want to share this blog post on a different social media website, so you don't have to just share the link, then after that add the caption. Don't worry, it is going to just manage everything. You can see this is the caption, this is the link, this is the caption for the Facebook post, and this is the link, this is for the Twitter, this is for the LinkedIn, this is for the WhatsApp post. Even you want to share on the WhatsApp to your friends and the family or your team members, this is the context and the link. Then this is the email promotion. It is also going to create an email out of that video. Isn't it just the super hyper targeted, especially for that platform you want to share? I'm really surprised with the platform, by the way. Okay, so there are few more things I want to talk about it. For example, you want to share it on your WordPress, Medium, or any other blogging platform. Don't worry, just simply click it here on the export. First of all, you are going to find different formats here. Then if you scroll down below, here is the export option directly to the WordPress site. your Medium, your Blogger, and even the Ghost ORG platform. You can also directly share to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Okay, so all those stuff in this single click, you can do it with the help of Video to Blog right now, which is available on the AppSumo, starting from the just $49, in which you can turn your 10 videos into the SEO optimized articles that will be the really good structure and the layout. So if you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. So this is my channel. If you want to subscribe it, make sure to do that. And right now we are doing the giveaway of the Bulk WP WordPress plugin here. With the help of, you can just boost your website speed. So make sure you also check out this video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.